if you're coming into the new year and losses are still making you very emotional, well, this video is really going to change that, because I'm going to explain today that losing is normal. And these big traders that are making 6-7 figures, they lose and they are perfectly fine with it. So I'm going to show you how you can properly handle and stay disciplined after a loss, and how you can actually use these losses to improve yourself long term. Starting it all off, losses are a part of trading. That's honestly the core truth. And even good setups lose. Now, no strategy is 100%. Guys, if any person tells you on the internet my strategy is 100%, it is 100% bullshit. There is no 100% strategy. Not even my strategies are 100%. Now, the profitable model. So, one loss means nothing. The edge always plays out over time. So, guys, if you are always losing, then yes, that is a problem with a strategy. That's nothing wrong with you. It's a strategy problem. Now, yes, it's completely normal to lose a trade here and there. There's no problem with that. I mean, look, personally, me, I've come across 4 or 5 losses in a row, but me having those losses, I actually learned where I went wrong, and I was able to go back, journal it, see my problems, and from there, I was actually able to make improvements. And right after that 5 losses, I actually ended up having a 10 win streak. So that just goes to show you actually learn on the losses. So ego thinking, I must be right. I need to win this trade. I can't lose this trade. Guys, that's not going to get you anywhere. That is only going to hurt you, versus thinking, follow the plan, risk is fixed, and outcome is what it is. If you win or if you lose, you are neutral. You shouldn't be happy if you win. You shouldn't be happy if you lose. It's honestly as simple as that. Risk management is very important. Be comfortable with your risk. If you are perfectly fine with risking $100, and if you lose that amount and you are perfectly fine, risk $100. If you risk $1,000 and you end up crying after it, don't risk it. It's as simple as that. Risk what you're fine with losing, even if it's $10. If you are fine with losing $10, risk $10. As simple as that, guys. Risk what you're comfortable with losing. Now, 0.5 to 1%, that should always be how much you risk per trade. Now, of course, if you are using a funded account, then this is not really for you, but always have a stop loss. Stop losses are very important. Never trade without a stop loss. If you do trade without a stop loss, you're going to find out very quick why I say that, because you're going to have one news event that you did not see properly, and your account is going to get wiped in a second. And you're going to be down a couple thousand. Trust me, we've all been there. Losses are already accepted. Be comfortable with the losses. There's nothing wrong with it. If the loss feels painful, your risk is too high. Guys, be comfortable with your losses. Again, if you're comfortable with losing $1,000, put $1,000. If you're going to cry about it, reduce your risk. You can risk up to $10, $5, whatever you're comfortable with, guys. There is no rush in trading. Now, accept the loss before you even enter the trade. Before you even get into the trade, be perfectly fine with your loss. Because again, not every strategy is 100%. Now, when a loss does occur, it happens. Guys, you're not going to have 100% strategy. It's always fine to lose. But you have to learn from your losses. Don't just lose and walk away. No. Ask yourself these 3 questions. Was my setup valid? Did I follow my rules? If you didn't, well, there you go. That's why you lost. It's your fault. Guys, the whole thing about trading is you come into the market with a set in plan goal. You have your rules, you follow them. You're not a trader, you're an observer. You observe what price is telling you and you execute based on what is shown. You're not here to gamble, you're not here to guess. You're here to trade based on what these candlesticks are telling you. You read price and you execute based on what price is telling you. Now, answers. Good trade? Yes. No. Fix the mistake. Learn from it. A good loss is still a successful trade because you learn from your losses. Say, for example, you enter on an inversion for value gap and the trade goes against you, and for the next 3 trades, you document that you're entering on an inversion and it still doesn't work. Well, then you know inversion for value gaps are not the right entry for you. Now, avoid it. Emotional traps. All the time. Always going to run into emotional traps. Revenge trading, over trading, increasing your size, and forcing a setup. Guys, this is something everyone goes through. And no matter how good you think your psychology is, you're always going to end up revenge trading, over trading, increasing your risk to regain that loss, or forcing a setup. Now, this is honestly just going to come through experience, guys, because no matter how prepared you are for this, it is going to happen. So if you are strong, you can stop this overthinking and control your emotions. Losses don't blow accounts. Guys, reactions is what makes you lose. If you are strong and you can control your emotions, then you're not going to blow an account. You're going to learn from the mistake and you're going to improve for next time. Document, journal equals growing. Guys, journaling, it is so important, guys. Journaling is extremely, extremely important, and you're going to see so many mistakes. You're going to find so many improvements. Even journal your emotions when you wake up. It's going to help a lot, and you're going to see a lot of connections. Every single time you lose, take screenshots, reasons for your entry. Guys, very important. It is going to help a lot because when you take your screenshots and your reason of entry, you can always come back to it and say, why did I enter this trade? Let me see. Oh, perfect. That's the reason why I entered. That is a very nice setup. You know what? I made a lot of money off it. I felt very comfortable in the trade. Well, tomorrow, if I see the same exact screenshot, this model, I'm going to re-enter. That is why journaling is so important. If you don't track your losses, you'll keep repeating them. Simple as that. If, as I said with the previous example with the inversion for value gap, if you never journal it, you don't know how many times you actually lost on it. It's just pure guessing. So guys, journal. Very important. Develop your mindset. Protect capital consistently. Profits. So important. Once you stop fearing your losses, you will start trading like a professional. Guys, that is the key to success. Please, guys, if you want, even rewatch this video. It's going to be so very helpful. And again, losses are inevitable and it is going to help. Journal, practice, re-enter, practice, and journal. Just continuously doing that. Guys, you're going to become a very successful trader into 2025 year. And I hope this video could have made a change for you. Other than that, I do have a free trial down below if you do want to check out my classes. The free trial, completely free. Check it out. Doesn't cost you anything. And you can learn and trade with me. Other than that, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. And leave a like, subscribe, and peace.